How to upload music on Spotify with an iPhone. So in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can upload custom music on Spotify with your iPhone. So I'm going to show you guys how to import it as well as how you can go ahead and listen to it. So you're going to want to go ahead and click the gearbox here on the homepage at the top right corner. And once you're here, you should be able to get settings just like this. Now you're going to want to go ahead and make your way all the way down to the bottom of the page. And there should be an option here, should be second to last, called local files. Now go ahead and just click on it here. Once you go ahead and do that, usually you will have this toggled off. Now it's going to say show audio files from this device. So just make sure that you actually have this toggled on. And basically it says right here, it's going to add tracks from this device into your library. So basically it's going to go ahead and sync up with your iCloud drive or whatever songs you have on the iPhone. And if you head over to the Your Library here where you'll see all of your playlists, you should have a custom playlist be made called Local Files. Now, go ahead and click on it, and here you'll be able to see all of the local file songs or all of the imported songs that you have on your phone here on Spotify to listen to. So if you don't have this by any means, I'll go ahead and teach you guys how to fix it. So you're going to want to go ahead and head over to your file manager. Now, all iPhones should have this file manager, but if you don't have it, just re-download it. So here you're going to go ahead and actually select the location of where the songs might want to stay. So go ahead and click on My iPhone, and you're going to want to go ahead and create a folder here, and you're going to want to go ahead and title this folder Spotify. So once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to import all of your songs onto this iPhone into that Spotify folder that I've actually created or you've created right here, and make sure that all of these songs are in that folder, right? So once you go ahead and do that, you're going to want to head back to Spotify, and you're going to want to go ahead and click your icon here, and you're going to want to go back to the settings, right? So go to local files and toggle this on and off, and you'll be able to see that the local files should be right here in your playlist, right? So that's a fix to that problem. I've seen a lot of people actually have that problem, and honestly, this actually fixed it for me the way I've actually showed you guys right now. So go ahead and try it for yourself. If it doesn't work, then go ahead and contact Spotify support. But with that being said, guys, that's how you go ahead and upload music on Spotify on iPhone, guys. But make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.